Hi, boys and girls. Today you are going to do a Helen Keller writing. The first thing you're going to do is write your name. Pause the video and write your name. Helen Keller worked hard and didn't give up. I worked hard and didn't give up when So you're going to tell your teacher and your friends about a time that you didn't give up. Let me give you some examples. Maybe when you learned how to ride a bike, or tie your shoes, or you learned how to do art, or a project, or when you learned how to read, or write, or you learned how to dance or do a sport. Those are just some ideas. You don't have to use these ideas. After you thought of your idea of when you didn't give up, you're going to write it. Remember to start over here on the line. Use your best handwriting. Have fun, stallions!